Easy skillet French-style chicken. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the chicken pieces in a large sealable bag. Add the flour and season with salt and pepper. Seal the bag and give it a good shake to coat the chicken. Heat the oil in a large oven-proof frying pan over medium heat. Cook the chicken in batches for 3 minutes each side or until golden brown, then transfer to a tray. Next, melt the butter in a pan. Add the mushrooms and cook stirring for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden. Transfer the mushrooms to a separate plate. Cook the bacon, stirring for 1 to 2 minutes or until light golden. Then add the shallots and leek and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the leek is soft. Add the garlic and cook for 2 minutes or until aromatic. Stir in the carrots and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until just tender. Add the stock and wine, or extra stock if you prefer. Cook scraping the base of the pan to loosen any brown bits for 1 to 2 minutes or until the mixture is heated through. Return the chicken and mushrooms to the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Then cover with foil and pop in the oven to bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for a further 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce thickens. Sprinkle with thyme and parsley and finish with a grind of pepper. This hearty one-pan wonder is a must-try for cooler nights.